Guess who we just met?
Guys, Walmart, America, New Jersey. We just met 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠
𝙏𝙝𝙗𝙪. Hello, 𝙏𝙝𝙗𝙪. And your surname is? 𝙏𝙝𝙗𝙪. Like, hey.
We are all over. You can't get rid of us.
You can't get rid of it. Oh.
Here. Send the camera up. Let's talk family stuff now.
Okay, all right, bye.
Oh wow, guys, we're at Chick-fil-A drive-through, and I like how they do it here. It's so different. Well, I don't really like it because I wouldn't want to be the one doing it, but they have actual people taking orders from the cars. Is this a common thing here in America?
Not really, no.
Or is it a unique thing from Chick-fil-A?
It's just a unique thing from Chick-fil-A, especially fast food. Nah.
And it's raining. That's the only thing that's a downer from it. Like, who wants to do this in the rain? What are we buying?
I'm not even sure. Hi.
Hi.
Can you give me a sec to just look at the menu?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Oh. Londy. L-O-N-D-I.
Alright, take your time.
Okay. Chick-fil-A biscuit, Chick-fil-A.
What would you recommend? What would you recommend? What should you buy to impress your mother-in-law? I think the guy's too shocked. He just ignored me.
He's busy doing something.
Tell him I'm talking to him.
He's talking. Somebody's excuse me. Hello. She's talking to you.
Hi. It's my first time here. I don't know what to order. What would you order to impress your mother-in-law?
To impress? I think to impress would be number 7.
Number 7? Why?
Yeah. It depends if she would like want a salad or if she wants a sandwich. If it's a sandwich, I'd go with the number 7. If it's a salad, I'd go with the Cobb salad.
Her mother-in-law is Nigerian, African, so a salad wouldn't go. Do you have any a sandwich that has mushrooms? No.
No.
I'll try number 1, the biscuit, because I've never had that. Okay. Well, I have, but not here at Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
And back home we don't have these biscuits, and yeah, I'll have that.
So that's not the breakfast. Oh, it's a.
Yeah,
okay.
that's just breakfast.
I do.
Is it available, or is it only available at breakfast?
Is it available?
No.
No.
Okay. Do you have any meal that has a biscuit?
Not now. We'll check in up. Alright, is my soup in there too?
Yep, it's in there. Everything's in there.
Okay, no problem.
I also ordered a boyfriend. Is he in there? I also ordered a boyfriend. Is he in there?
A what?
A boyfriend.
What? A boyfriend? I'm going this way.
Yeah, this lipstick makes me look like one of my other sisters. Today I don't look like you. I look like Putu. Yeah. And my looks change all the time. Sometimes I look like Malindi. Sometimes I look like almost everyone
in the
on different occasions. But is my package gonna be safe? Because I would rather have stayed at home and waited for my package because it has important things.
Yeah, my husband will be home. I mean, till 1 o'clock, so hopefully it will come before then. Yeah, I think your package will be safe, except like maybe only one time we lost the package, but that was like a year ago.
You lost something. I hope it wasn't something expensive or important.
It was very important actually. We lost our wedding invitations.
As in the invitation cards?
Like the invitation cards, everything packed together, nice and fancy.
No wonder you had so much security at your wedding. You thought whoever stole it just invited random people to come to the wedding.
I'm telling you.
And you never got it back?
We never got it back.
But how do you know it was delivered?
Because like in Amazon we have there's an option where they can take a picture of what they delivered.
Oh, where they put it.
Yeah, and we saw the picture. It was delivered in our in front of our door and whatnot. So we're pretty sure, we're 100% sure they delivered it. So somebody must have taken it, because I wouldn't say it's our tenants, because our tenants do give us our stuff.
Yeah.
They wouldn't do that.
Oh, they probably didn't know what was inside and were very disappointed when they saw it was
invitation.
They probably thought it was a phone, a camera, or something nice, cute and tiny. Because it would not have been a very big box.
Yeah, it wasn't a big box, and it was a fancy box, I must say that.
Oh no.
Yeah.
And did you get it back? Like did you have to buy a new pack of invitations, or did they reimburse you, or what happened?
They reimbursed us, but after a long time, because we had to prove that we didn't, get the package. And
oh, maybe just trying to have twice the number of the wedding cards.
Yeah.
Wow, sorry about that.
Yeah.
At least they stole the wedding cards, not your husband.
At least, thank God. I wouldn't want them to steal my husband, no.
We thank God though.
We thank God though. Oh my God, I look like my dad today.
You do.
I look like my father.
You do look like him. And I look like Putu today.
We don't look like
guys, does it happen like with your family members or with yourself, where you look like different people on different occasions every day? Like, because sometimes we really look alike, and then sometimes you look nothing like me.
Sometimes you look like our aunt. Sometimes you look like my mom.
I look like so many different people. But between you and me, I never look like the cute ones in the family. I always look like these ones.
That's not nice. I think I'm cute.
You are. No, you're not cute, you're gorgeous.
I'm gorgeous. I'm gorgeous.
Yeah, so yeah, that's what happens to me.
Yeah.
Even in my photos. And I have actually met my double ganger in Mozambique. A person who looks exactly like you.
Oh really?
Yep. Actually, she's from Mozambique, but I didn't meet her in Mozambique. I met her quite a few years ago, at 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 wedding.
Oh.
And even Ugoko, when she was looking at the photo album, she thought it was me.
You? Oh wow.
And everyone who looks is like, why did you change so many times? I'm like, no, I didn't.
I didn't.
Yeah, but they thought because sometimes I have drama. But she looks exactly like me.
Wow.
She looks exactly like me.
Are you still in contact with her, or?
No, I'm not, because she speaks Portuguese.
Oh.
I tried, but then she doesn't speak English.
Where does 𝙏𝙗𝙖 find all these friends? She has friends.
Because her husband is from Mozambique.
Oh.
Actually, her Mozambican wedding, the woman who was the pastor wore an English t-shirt that says where the beach is at. Because they don't speak English, they didn't understand what it means.
Oh.
It's so funny. Every time we watch the video, you can't stop laughing.
You're like, really?
She's busy preaching, and the t-shirt is saying where the beach is at.
But then,
not beaches where you swim. Beaches as in female dogs.
Female dogs.
Yeah.
But like, didn't she require her to have like some sort of dress code?
No,
it's
because
just like
they come and bless the wedding at home, so it's a traditional wedding.
Oh, a
But you know
wedding.
they wear a makaplan.
Oh,
The material, so it doesn't matter what you're wearing on top.
Oh.
It's just the material. It's similar to the Nigerian, where they buy the same color material.
Yeah,
but for them it's just quick wrap around. It's not fancy dresses like you guys do.
And then just any t-shirt.
Any t-shirt, yeah.
Okay.
And obviously it was one of those t-shirts she probably bought from, you know, people who sell stuff from overseas with those big
or
bales.
got it for free.
Or maybe someone donated it to her.
Is this truck gonna, you know, move? Or
The truck is gonna truck.
the truck is slow.
Yeah, American roads are really huge.
And
Do you want me to answer her? Hey, Candy.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm great, thanks to you.
I'm good. You are live on Thenjiwe's phone.
Oh, I thought it was a commercial.
she's like, oh, I thought it was a commercial. How you doing, KK?
We can make it a commercial if you're willing to spend. If you have some money, I'll sell you something. I can find something to sell you.
Great marketing, wrong person.
What's up?
There's a shop called Legal Seafoods. So some seafoods are illegal. Wow. What the other one we saw the other day? Witchcraft.
Witchcraft.
Yeah. It was also a restaurant. This one's probably just waiting for somebody. Yeah, we saw witchcraft. The food looked good, but we were scared to go there because they like witchcraft.
And witchcraft.
But the food looked very good and fresh, and maybe it's witchcraft because the food's so good you think it was juju.
The things you come up with.
What I do is when I park,
You take a picture?
yeah, I always take a picture because it's so easy to get lost and forget where you parked, and so I always take a picture. Like I would take this one, have it on my phone, and then
You have to do all of that. Right?
and I never forget and I never get lost. If I've taken a picture, I never ever have to look at it.
Yeah,
but
but
if
if
I
you
don't
don't,
take a picture, then
Then you forget.
yeah.
I know that happens a lot.
This is where you should be taking me, not here.
Well, I'm not there yet.
Wait, where is the legal seafood? There's nowhere, not where I want to go. That's where I want to go. This is where I want to go. I find it so interesting, this legal seafood thing. So what shops are here?
Oh, all shops from.
Make sure you have nice sisters like mine. See, she's taking me to buy whatever I want for the weekend.
The nice shops here.
She doesn't want me to embarrass her because tomorrow there's a big concert.
Yeah, so we need to get.
So she doesn't want people to be pointing at me and saying I'm her sister and I come wearing rags. So she's treating me to look good. And I'm even funnier when I look good. The better I look, I almost said the gooder I look, the funnier I am.
The better you look, the funnier you look.
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. We're going shopping now. We don't want you to see all the discounts we're getting. Bye.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, can I have two of these?
Two of these. The chicken and bacon biscuits.
I want hot caramel on the other. And you just anything else? What would you like to drink?
Good item. It'll give you a free reward. You just need
That's a nice way of paying.
Huh?
Nice. Paying with your phone.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want $1? Hey, my name.
They spelled your name right. Usually they get it right.
Yeah, they got my name right. They got it right. From Guamashu to the world. And even the sandwich, they got my name right. Yep, they got it right. This one's eating already. Okay, we're not gonna record so you don't see how fast we eat. So this is a breakfast sandwich. It's like a biscuit, like the biscuits, like the muffin that you would have with your jam and cream. They got bacon and a sausage. This is like a burger patty, but they call it sausages here. And yeah. Let's have fun.